No. No, I don't have any more platinum, unfortunately. Museum Collection, box break number 2, 147 Eastern Standard Time. Jelly Bean, Mamarello Pav, Gage, Chutch. Here's everybody up in it. It's late, so I lost the energy to say everybody's name. There's everybody there. All right, Museum, box number 2. All right, pack 1. Got a jumbo jockstrap DeMarco Murray, 50 out of 50. So going to Dallas Cowboys, 50 out of 50. That'll be Chutch for 20. Then a Logan Thomas 21 out of 150 going to Arizona. Jason S. Nice patch in there for you, bud. Then Andre Ellington, 136 out of 200, and that back to Arizona. Jason S. It's a very thin pack. Let's see what we got. Redemp is shown. Dual Signature Series. That's kind of a nice hit. How about a dual auto? Baby Russ and Marshawn Lynch for $5. That's not bad at all. It's TNT cards. Dude, that is a solid hit. I wonder, AD, can you get a check and see what number that's to? That's a really nice hit, buddy. Sammy Watkins, 67 out of 99. Box 2 with a bang.